What if I told you that your budget is broken because you're looking at your money all wrong? It's a hard truth. For most folks, the way they think about money is the very thing keeping them stuck, tired, and broke. You work too hard to feel this stressed out at the end of every month. But managing your money isn't about punishment. It's about power. You get your paycheck, you pay some bills, and then you blink, and the money is just gone. It feels like you're running on a treadmill, putting in all the effort but never actually getting anywhere. Today, in 2026, the world is designed to take your money. You're hit with ads everywhere you look. The newest phone, the latest fashion, that fancy coffee. It's a constant battle. Companies spend billions of dollars to get you to part with your hard-earned cash, often for things you don't truly need. Add to that the rising cost of groceries, gas, housing, and it's no wonder so many people feel like they're drowning. Having a plan for your money isn't just a good idea anymore. It's a survival skill. It's the single best way to fight back against the culture that wants to keep you in debt and worrying about the future. It's how you build a life of peace. Many people believe a handful of myths that keep them from winning with money. I'll start saving when I make more money. Debt is just a normal part of life, like paying for electricity. Those small daily purchases don't really add up. The biggest myth of all is that a budget is a cage. That's just not true. A budget isn't there to stop you from having fun. It's there to give you permission to spend on what matters most, without guilt or anxiety. The good news is that you don't need a fancy finance degree to get this right. You don't need complicated software or a rich uncle. All you need is a decision. Stop letting your money control you and start telling it where to go. The very first step, get brutally honest about where it's going right now. You can't make a plan for the future if you don't have a clear picture of the present. I want you to do something simple. Track every single dollar you spend for 1 month. Every single one. Coffee on the way to work, pack of gum at the register, that online subscription you forgot you had. Write it all down. Use a small notebook you carry with you, or a simple notes app. Don't judge yourself or try to change yet. The only goal is to gather the facts. At the end of the month, sit down and look at what you've written. You might discover you're spending hundreds on eating out, or on impulse buys from that big online store. Small purchases add up to a huge chunk of your income. This isn't about making you feel bad. It's about giving you information. Knowledge is power. Seeing $200 on things you don't remember buying gives you motivation to change. Money isn't disappearing. You're giving it away without thinking. Once you know where your money is going, next step, give every dollar a name before the month begins. This is what a real budget is, a plan. You telling your money what to do. Start the month by listing your total income. Then list expenses starting with the most important. Giving, saving, the 4 walls. Food, utilities, shelter, transportation, then insurance, debt payments, personal spending. Assign every dollar until the leftover is zero. This is a zero-based budget, your roadmap that removes guesswork and anxiety. Anchor all actions to a powerful, personal goal. Small, consistent steps lead to massive, life-altering results. What is your biggest money problem right now? Tell me one thing you want to change. Share it below. Saying it out loud is how your new journey begins.